Good morning, guys, or afternoon, I'm not sure, from the Animal Kingdom. There's a tree lady in front of me. She's creeped me out already. Hold up. Nope, not a fan. Nope. I see a birdie. Whoa! Look at that creature. He's legit, isn't he?
That's a rhinoceros iguana.
Rhinoceros iguana. Is this just ducks? Oh, this is a half black, half white swan.
I don't think that's a swan.
Black next one. What have we got over here? Ducks!
And a widgeon.
There's another black, white swan. And ducks. Turtle!
Oh, hello.
And ducks. They're ducks.
Or is it a widgeon? Widgeons could fly out of there and into here just to torment the turtle.
Right, it's the alligator reel, number 5.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's right back there. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, it's real. It's moved every time, so it must be real. We're heading into Dinosaur, soon. Oh my god, it's so hot. We're at Dinosaur. Oh, look, there's actually a queue today.
These ears are starting to be really tight on my head.
Yeah, mine are really tight.
Should we meet Sister Mickey today?
Yeah, probably.
I haven't met Minnie yet at all.
Oh yeah.
Wow! Look at this spectacular view! Did your husband deliver or did he deliver?
Martin, you're gonna wake the kids. We still have to name them. I like Nemo.
Nemo. Well, name one Nemo. But I'd like most of them to be Marlin Jr. What was that? Oh, there, Daddy's got you. I promise I'll never let anything happen to you. Nemo.
In the big blue world, it's time for you to arrive.
Is this where we meet his teacher?
Hey, what's wrong with this fin?
Be nice, it's his first day of school.
He was born with it, kids. We call it his lucky fin.
Sing the zoos of the open sea.
Mr. Red!
By the morning, explorers. Who's this?
I'm Nemo.
He's got a little fin. I find if he gets tired, just give him a break, 10-15 minutes.
Dad!
Don't worry.
Is she okay?
Hey, Sherman 42, Wallaby Way Sydney! Hey, Sherman 42, Wallaby Way Sydney! Hi, Bruce!
I gotta get out of here. I gotta find my son.
What's terrifying is they expected the queues to be so long, but even at 95 minutes, I can't see the end. Oh, there. That's the wall, I think, that Tim says. But I want to eat first.
Well, it smells good though.
Oh, it smells really good around here. But yeah, there's the Wind Traders. Yes! Made it. That thing's cool. There's Satuli. Let's have a look at the menu.
Slow roasted beef with
Chicken! Oh no, you select your protein and then you select your base. Nice, yep, let's do it.
Oh, look at the chocolate cake.
Oh.
You can find the table we're sitting inside.
Yeah man, that was so nice. Okay, so we're eating at Pandora. I've got, what have I got? Oh, I've got the chicken bowl. Wood grilled chicken, rice and grains with a creamy herb dressing. I got the chocolate pudding and a Coke. Holly got the same but with beef and no dressing. Woo! Stormtroopers! I'm not filming you, you're filming you. Okay, I've been really bad vlogging today, but in case you hadn't realised, we're now at Hollywood Studios rather than Animal Kingdom.
Have you not vlogged since
Don't think so, no.
What have we done?
Well, I can't even remember. Let me check what the last one. Okay, so we ate at Satuli Canteen in Animal Kingdom in the Pandora World. Land, whatever you want to call it. We got the bus over to Hollywood Studios. What did we do first? We went for a shop and did shoppy things. We got a drink. And then we went and did Rock and Roller Coaster again for like the 12th time this holiday. We came to meet Goofy, but Goofy is not out. So no Goofy meetings. Yeah, it's probably because it's too hot. There's no characters outside meeting and greeting. They're all inside. We are now currently in the Pixar bit.
10 minutes, we're getting on.
10 minutes to do Toy Story Midway Mania. It said 50 on the app, so we were kind of like, we're gonna do it anyway. But 10 minutes, I'll do it twice. So cool inside here.
I need to up my game because I've lost twice.
She has, she sucks. I've won the last 2 times.
Stitch. No, the
Buzz Lightyear. My thing was broken.
You're lying.
No, I'm not lying. 11,000, it had to be broken. Woo. We'll have to do that one again before we go, just so I can redeem myself.
Well, soldier, we thought you'd gone AWOL. Welcome back. Here we go now. We're going to start with the basics. We are going to see how well our soldiers are able to follow orders. We're going to play a game called Sarge Says. It's a lot like Simon Says, only it's better because I'm Sarge and I'm the one doing the same. If Sarge says to do something, you do it. If Sarge does not say, you don't do it. Here we go. Sarge says, attention. There you go. Sarge says, salute. Sarge says, present arms. Sarge says, present legs. Sarge says, present elbows. About face. Ha! Caught you, Private. You see that? Sarge did not say. Please join us and please do so. Repeat after me.
I,
State your name.
Kira,
I hereby promise
I hereby promise
to obey the rules of the toy box.
to obey the rules of the
To
toy box,
protect all toys.
to protect all toys,
And to never leave a soldier behind.
and to never leave a soldier behind.
So help me, Sheriff Woody.
So help me, Sheriff Woody.
Ladies and gentlemen, 3 cheers for the newest members of the Green Party.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Excellent.
Okay, so I haven't actually updated at all. We are at Epcot. It is about 4, I believe. We're heading to the land now to go on Nemo. The Seas of Nemo and Friends. I'm excited. I haven't done it yet. And then we've got Mission Space later, and we have got Soarin', and we're doing Food and Wine, and I am buzzing for the mac and cheese. So we started doing food and wine again, and I got the loaded mac and cheese. I've already eaten some of it. It's insane. It's so good. I love mac and cheese. It's one of my favourite things in the world. I'm pretty sure it's bacon on top as well, which makes it even better. There's that smell again. We're going into Light Lab now, and it's got a really weird kind of like... the Cool Lab, yeah. Club Cool has a really weird like smell. And I don't know what it is, and it's not pleasant. Woo! Fountain! Nothing happened. Not sure how much you can see right now, but look at the beautiful gift that Holly just bought me for $5.
For a strawberry.
She spent $5 on a strawberry.
I spent $9.50 something on 2 strawberries.
On 2 strawberries.
I think $2 for a punnet of, no, £2 for a punnet of strawberries is stingy. So
But look at my beautiful gift. I don't want to eat it in
she
one.
told me she didn't like caramel.
I don't like caramel.
And my bag broke.
And her bag broke. Yeah, there's a lot I need to update you on. Like, we've eaten a lot of food. We've drunk some drink. Yeah.
This is a good update.
I'll update you properly like when we get home, I think, because we've got some exciting things to make.
Oh, my
And I'm buzzing for it. But I will update you properly when we get home. I just thought I didn't tell you about the expensive strawberry I've just been bought.
For thousands and thousands of years before us, to share the light and to share a story. An amazing story, as old as time itself, but still being written. And though each of us has our own individual stories to tell, a true adventure emerges when we bring them all together as one. We hope you enjoy our story tonight, Reflections of Earth.
Woo!